Hello guys, how are you doing? So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to log out of WhatsApp. If you have been wondering how to do this, just pay attention as I show you. So for you to log out of WhatsApp, it's very simple. Once you're on your home page like this is a new WhatsApp. I have not chatted with anyone. That is why you're not seeing contact on the screen. So what you want to do is you go to where you have these three dots up here. It will appear the same on your end too. So just click on the three dots up here. Once you click on that, then right here you go to where you have settings. So click on settings, then come over to where you have account. So you can see the only thing we have here is delete account. We don't have logout of WhatsApp. It means ideally there's no way to log out of WhatsApp, but then I'll be showing you a simple trick if you want to log out of WhatsApp. Let's go back. So what you do at this point is you go to your second WhatsApp. Right now I'm on WhatsApp business, so I'll go to the ordinary WhatsApp and log in using the same number. Do you understand? So once I'm on that WhatsApp, here is it right here. Once I'm on that WhatsApp, I open it. Then I try to log in using the same number that I used on the WhatsApp business. So I'll click on agree and continue. Then I'll click on allow. I'll put in the phone number right here. Your number has been securely verified on this device. So I'll click on continue. I'll click on next again. So right here I'll cancel this and click on next. Then this will load up for me. Then I get to click on not now. I'll click on next. I'll click on cancel. And over here I'll put in a name right here. So let me just put in my name, Charles. So this is setting up already. So can you see I've logged into this WhatsApp. So let's go and check the other WhatsApp if we are still logged in. So once I go to that other WhatsApp business, let's see. Can you see you have been logged out? It means that we have successfully logged out of this WhatsApp. Hope you get that, guys. Very, very simple. And that is basically how you go about logging out of WhatsApp. So if you got value, ensure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.